Good day, students. Today, I want to solve problem under velocity time graph that makes use of uniform acceleration. The first thing to do is to draw the diagram. This is the velocity in meter per seconds, and you have the time in seconds. Please take notes. We are going to make use of the four equations of motion. Four equations of motion. Please take note. The first one is v equal to u plus at, equation 1. S equal to ut plus half at squared, equation 2. We have the other one, v squared equal to u squared plus 2as, equation 3. The fourth one, s equal to u plus v over 2 bracket t, equation 4. What does v stand for? V stands for final velocity. U stands for initial velocity. S stands for distance, and T stands for time taken, and but again A stands for uniform acceleration. Please take notes. Now in this case, we don't have the bus moves from rest. When something moves from rest, an object moves from rest, means that it's at initial stage there's no movement. That's u equal to 0 because at rest we are giving acceleration which is 2 meters per second squared for time of 10 seconds. We don't have velocity. We have to look for it. Make use of the first equation of motion, v equal to u va, because we are starting with a, u plus at. What our u is 0, it's at rest, times plus 2 times 10, which is 20 meters per seconds. Now you have to draw your velocity time graph with that, which is trace it to this 20, bring it down for the time. What is it? 10. Now the next one, we are having vb. We are making use of the second velocity because it's not starting from rest, it's trying to change direction. va plus at. This one stands as the initial 20 plus. Before you do that, let's write the parameters. Let's write the parameters for the second one. We have then acceleration is given to us as 1 meter per second squared. This one we are using va now in this case to be 20 meter per seconds, and what is our time for that? Our time is 15 seconds. We are looking for vb. Now vb equals va plus at. So understand, because it's time to change direction, we are not using u again, which is va is 20 plus acceleration 1 times 15, 20 plus 1 times 15, 15. Board mass do with multiplication before addition, which is 35 meters per second. Now trace it, change the direction, let it bend. That's 35. Now at this point, for what time? 15. When you add it, you have 25. You put it at this middle, you add it, you have 25. 10 plus 15, 25. It continues at a constant speed. Constant means it has to be a straight line for 70 seconds. Bring it down. 25 plus 70, that's 95. Now said come to rest in 20 seconds. It's time to come to rest. 20 seconds. 95 plus 20, 115. Let's label them. Initial means 0, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. We have to look for the total distance traveled. The total distance traveled equals area of triangle OAG plus area of trapezium, or is it ABFG plus area of rectangle BCEF. You can see BCEF plus area of triangle what? CDE. In that case, area of, you can call it half times base times height. Let's write base first. OG, because this is the base, height times AG plus area of trapezium. Let's change it also so that it will be like this. In that case, this one stands as the height, which is GFA, AB. This one will now be 15. This one, the smaller size will be 20. When you turn it like this, 35. The highest one, longest one, that's 35. Now let's now call it half multiply open bracket GA or AG plus GA plus FB, or let's call it the first alphabet first, BF multiplied by height GF plus, let's come to this base first, EF multiplied by BF plus half into plus by DE multiplied by CE. In this case, now half, what's our OG? That's 10. 10 minus 0 multiplied by 20 plus, what next? Half open bracket. What's our AG? AG 20 plus BF 35. Alright, that's 15 plus EF 70 multiplied by BF 35 plus half, or DE, that's 20 multiplied by 35. 2 here 1, 2 here 10. Okay, now 2 here 1, 2 here 5, which is 100 plus, as when you press your calculator, you have 412.5. when you add it, okay, let's just, when you add it together like this, let me have half into 55 multiplied by 15, multiply it and now divide by 2. When you do that, you have 412.5 plus, multiply that, you have 2450 plus 350 in meters. When you add it, you have 3312.5 meters. Okay, now total distance traveled is that. The total distance traveled is 3,312.5 meters. Divided by 1,000, you change it to kilometers. Now you have to look for the average speed. Average speed equals total distance traveled divided by total time taken. Total distance travel is 3,312.5 divided by 115. When you divide it, you have 28.8 meters per second. Now retardation, this is the second one, this is the first one. Retardation along line CD equals CE over DE. You have to take the velocity, this is the velocity axis, over the time. Velocity first, which is 35 divided by 20. When you divide it, you have 1.75 meters per second squared. Retardation is opposite of acceleration, still the same unit. The only thing that introduce negative to show that it's retardation. The last one, maximum speed attained equals 35 meters per second as already calculated. So it is already been calculated. That's maximum speed attained. This is the end of our class. Please subscribe to my channel so that I can have access to the latest video for more updates. Have a wonderful day.